All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to reuse the materials and the posts that Lucy and I created in Google Classroom. So you're going to need to go to your Google Classroom where you want to post um, the material. So say I go in here, okay? So then I'm going to go to classwork. I'm going to create, I'm going to reuse post. And usually it'll default to the last class you were in. So you may need to use the back button to find AHS ebooks. The title is Where to Find eBooks, and you'll see because Lucy created it here, so use that one. Now click Reuse. Make sure all the links are working. You can also choose a topic and then post. Okay, so it's create, reuse, find, make sure you're on AHS eBooks, and then click on whatever it is you're reusing. Okay, hopefully that will work for you. And let us know if you have any more questions. Thank you.